Hey there, tech explorers. Welcome back to everything you need to know about Bitcoin. This time, we're going on a journey to understand the backbone of Bitcoin, blockchain. Let's unravel this digital marvel together. Blockchain. You've probably heard the term tossed around, but what exactly is it? Simply put, a blockchain is like a digital ledger, but instead of being kept in one place, it's distributed across a vast network of computers. This makes it incredibly secure and nearly impossible to hack. Imagine a chain of blocks, where each block contains a bunch of transactions. Every time a new transaction happens, it's added to a block. Once the block is filled, it's sealed and linked to the previous block, hence the name blockchain. The beauty of blockchain is its transparency. Everyone on the network can see the transactions in each block, but here's the catch. You can't alter these transactions once they're added. This means once something is recorded on the blockchain, it's there for good. What makes blockchain a game changer is its trust factor. You don't need to trust a particular institution or person. Instead, you're trusting a system that's open, transparent, and immutable. This is why it's perfect for Bitcoin, ensuring that all transactions are recorded fairly and securely. But blockchain isn't just for Bitcoin. It has the potential to revolutionize industries. From banking to healthcare, it can provide secure, transparent, and efficient ways to record and transfer data. So, in a nutshell, blockchain is a secure, transparent, and immutable digital ledger. It's the technology that underpins cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and has the potential to transform our digital world. And there you have it, blockchain demystified. Thanks for tuning in. Remember, like, share, and subscribe for more tech insights. Can't wait to share more in our next video. Until then, keep exploring the wonders of technology.